Welcome, guys, to my channel. And I'll be talking on advanced market structure, which is the Algo market structure. But first of all, I'll be diving on the basics of structure, which knows that when a price is heading to the upside, is giving us an uptrend, they always give us a series of a higher high, higher low, a higher high, higher low, a higher high, higher low, a higher high, and a higher low for an uptrend. But when for a downtrend, they give us a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is the basics of the market structure. Or I will dive in on an advance, diving on the advance. So first of all, in the advance, the market normally has to give us a sweep. Basically, a sweep, but it has to give us a sweep, which I label as the ABC, which has to do with something like this. We have the sweep, we have the break of structure, we have the pullback, we have the break of structure, then we expect price. So I label this as the ABC. How? This is my A. It's my A. This is my B. And this is my C. Okay. C. ABC formation. The ABC formation. So you can see there's a two break of structure right there. Break and a break. So what I'm expecting right to happen as a trader or as an algo market trader, I'm expecting price to come down and take out this B and continue to the upside. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting. So when the retail traders are trying maybe a break of structure trade or a support turning to resistance and give us this B formation, as a trader, I'm expecting price to, I'm expecting to enter when price take out this B and continue to the upside. Same thing, likewise. We have this also. We have this, the break. It was the B. We have another break also. What am I expecting? I'm expecting price to take out. I'm expecting price take out this B, continue upside. Same thing again. The B break, price continue to take out that B, continue the outside. This is what I expect for an uptrend. This is how an uptrend looks like in an advanced market structure. Same thing for a downtrend also. First of all, how to look for a sweep. How a sweep, B, C. Then we expect price to take out this B and move to the break downside. Again, the B, again, the structure, then the C, continue the downside for structure level to the downside. So this is an uptrend right there, and this is a downtrend of a market structure. So basically there are two types of this structure. There are two types of this structure which we have. Two types of this structure. So we have the type 1. That's the sweep, break of structure. So we call this the type 1 movement. Call it the type 1. Type 1 movement. And we have the type 2. We have the sweep, First, press come and take it out to the outside. This is the type 2 that basically trades behind the type 2, which are basically what I look for on the chart. The type 2. So let's dive into the chart and let me show you them on a real chart. Here example. So you can see here now. You can see here. This high is. If you watch here, you can see a sweep. Like I told you guys, you can see a sweep right there. You can see a break. It gave us the break of structure. You can see price pulling back, giving us the B, right here, and give us that break right there. Give us another break right there. Another break. So expecting price to come back and take this B out. Sorry. This is the A. We have this. So expecting price come back, giving us a C, come back, you can see it. A, B, C. So expecting price to come and take out this B, so we take out the B, then we enter for our buy outside. For type 1 kind of setup, and we have one kind of setup, and we have one again. See, you can see the sweep right here. It was it's our A. Expecting price to come and take out this continue side. Let's move. We have a type 2 kind of trades. You can see it right there. You can see it right there. Something like this. You can see it. A, B before the break of structure, and then price came back, took out that B and upside. That's for the type 2 type of setup. Now for that, it's others hanging around. Let me find it. Find it. So that is it for now, and I will be dropping videos continually on this structure. So if it's your first time coming across this channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button. Also like this video for others to come across it, and stay tuned for other series of this video or this Algo next time.